I'm going to give you my best answer. Call us with your immigration questions, or what we say in the promo, getting answers.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Good
doing
afternoon.
Today?
What's going on?
Oh, everything is going on well by God's grace, though.
Wonderful.
Okay.
That's great news.
I got a question. My question is, okay, I had a sister over here. She got married 3 years ago to a citizen, and they, actually do the adjustment of status. And they got for interview for 2 times. They were denied and came back and refiled it again. Okay, are you there?
I'm listening. Your sister got denied twice and refiled again and again.
Yes, refiled again, but before now, her work permit was still valued. But recently they just received the letter and sent a letter to her that she can go ahead and get her work back, and her work permit has been, revalued again. So now my question is, she's crying and she doesn't want to talk. My question is, can they just give her a green card without another interview?
No, she's going to get a new interview.
Huh?
She will get a new interview, yes. She will not have an interview. Yeah, they already denied her. Why would they just grant her a green card? They're going to want to interview her again.
So are they going to invite her for interview again?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, so now another question. I'm sorry, I got 2 questions actually to ask. The another question is the husband to be say that before they got married, he had like 2 baby mamas, which he hadn't mentioned it to her that you see with the baby mama. So during this process of everything, she has not been seeing the husband at home, but recently discovered that the baby mama has gone back to the husband has gone back to the baby mamas, not even the baby mamas, but another girlfriend. So she has been having the pictures of the girlfriend and everything around. And now she's asking, can she file for an abuse or something?
It's possible. It sounds like he's not a very good husband. He went back to the baby mama. He left her. He's certainly cheating on her at a minimum, and may have even left the marriage at a maximum. Either way, it's not somebody who looks like they want to have a lifelong relationship with, and which is one of the things to prove in a bona fide marriage, that you're coming together for life. Now, adultery and lying could be part of a larger story of emotional abuse. We would have to sit down with your sister.
I don't know why I can't hear you. I'm sorry. I can't hear you.
I don't know why you can't hear me. I said adultery and lying, about, what's going on in your life could be some evidence of a larger mix of evidence of extreme emotional abuse. So we would need to speak with your sister. All right, so hold on 1 second.
Okay.
Let's go to Mason in the Bronx. Mason in the Bronx. Massam. M-A-S-U-M.
Hello.
How are you?
Brad.
How are you?
Hey, how are you, man? Good.
What's going on?
But I have 2 questions.
Yes.
Yeah, so I was arrested like 6 years ago in New York for controlled substance.
Uh-huh.
And the case was dismissed after 6 months.
Good.
And when
you got an ACD, stay out of trouble for 6 months, and they dismiss it.
Yeah.
Right.
When the police asked me, and I told them, my girlfriend told me to get it, like a drugs or whatever.
Uh-huh.
Then I went to the court, and they dismissed the case.
That's fine. ACD is ACD. You don't have to explain yourself. It's dismissed. What's the question?
So I filed citizenship last year, after 5 years.
Uh-huh.
After 10 months, they sent me for a fingerprint letter.
Mm-hmm.
So what is my chances? And
100%. 100%, based on what you told me, unless there's something more I don't know. You were arrested once. The case was dismissed. You filed your citizenship more than 5 years after the dismissal. You have 5 years of good moral character. You should become a citizen. All else being equal, assuming you pay your taxes and no other arrests, blah, blah, blah. You know how to read and write English. I mean, I can go on and on, but assuming that's your only skeleton in the closet, you should become a citizen.
This is the only arrest I have in America.
Right, okay. So the answer is you should become a citizen. When you should become a citizen, I don't know, but your case has been pending 10 months. You should be getting an interview very shortly.
They asked me for fingerprint after 10 months. So how long I have to wait for interview after?
I don't know. I don't run the immigration service. I'm not their calendar person.
One more question. If I told the police, then my girlfriend told me to get a drugs. So it mean like I admit the crime or something?
No, your case was dismissed.
All right, Brett.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
All right, but let me answer. But you don't let me answer the middle question. But it's okay.
Okay.
You want me to answer it? You just jumped over me.
Yes, please.
Okay.
Yes, please.
The answer is I don't know. I don't calendar when you're going to get scheduled. But you figure if your case is already pending 10 months and they ask for a new fingerprint within another 3 to 4 months, you should be getting an interview.
All right. Thank you so much.
You're
Brett.
welcome.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Okay. All right, let's go to Nahoma in Baltimore, Maryland. Nahoma. Thanks for watching. For more Bradshaw Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.